The 10th term of an arithmetic sequence is 15, and the 14th term is 31. What is the sum of the first and 8th terms of the sequence? All right, so this is what we need to do. We can look at this two different ways. And I guess maybe the best way, what we need to do is find the common difference first, I guess. Common difference needs to come first. So we could use like the average rate of change formula to do this, where, we have 31 over the 14th term minus 15 over the, what would that be, the 10th term. 31 minus 15 is 16 over 4. That's 4, so that's going to be the common difference. Now there's a formula that's not often used, but I'm going to use it now, which allows you to find the nth term given any term you want. So I'm going to use that. It's a sub n, and it's the same exact thing as the regular arithmetic sequence, but you're going to replace ones with k's. So a sub k plus the common difference times n minus k. All right, now what that means is I can pick any number here. All right, so you would be my kth term, and so you would be a sub k would be 15. So I could use that formula along with the fact that I just found out that the common difference is d to come up with this formula for an arithmetic sequence. So a sub n is going to equal a sub k, which I determined would be 15, plus d, which we found out was 4, times n minus 10. Now, using this formula, I can find out what the first term and the 8th term is. So the first term is going to be a sub 1 equals 15 plus 4 times the quantity 1 minus 10. So doing a little PEMDAS, you do 4 times negative 9. 4 times negative 9 is negative 36. And 15 minus 36 is negative 21. So that's my first term. My second term, no, what do I want? 8th term. My 8th term is going to be a sub 8, use the same formula that we wrote out here in black, equals 15 plus 4 times the quantity, not black, I'm sorry. No, black is fine. What am I thinking? 4 times the quantity, 8 minus 10. So a sub 8 equals 15 plus 4 times negative 2. A sub 8 equals 15 minus 8. And a sub 8 is going to equal 7. My job is to add the first term and the 8th term. So negative 21 plus 7 is going to be negative 14.